touching people's hearts with making stuff, and you get to spend time with people you care about. Babylon. And I really like...
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my husband Dave, and he is making a guest appearance because we're gonna make some gifts for family. We got Babylon leather kits, and Dave is going to open it because he's strong and everything. So Christmas is coming, and we thought it'd be fun to just make these little gifts. I thought this would be cool to show you guys too, because it's something really quick to make, and it's a way that you can kind of get into leatherworking without having to have all that knowledge. Last time we made bags together, and
It was my first time doing it.
And it was his first time doing it, yeah.
It was easy to do.
And it was really easy to do.
Well, what I like about them is that you click a button on the computer, and all of this comes in a package. So I don't have to worry about finding needles, threads, clips, scissors, glue, leather pieces. It comes pre-made to be ready, and you just sew it together, and it makes great gift, touching people's hearts with making stuff, and you get to spend time with people you care about. Babylon. And I really like, look at the quality. I don't know, you can zoom in. It's just like really high quality leather.
Yeah.
I can smell the cowhide.
So we have 4 projects. I guess we'll each take 2.
Correct.
They're really quick. Like, this is a pen case. We've got a,
Coin purse.
yes, we have
Card wallet.
a card wallet, iPod Pro,
Leather case that goes
leather
around
case.
It goes around the plastic shells, the existing case.
Yeah. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
I love this. I've actually been itching to get my hands on another project because it's really fun. Okay, so Dave is going to start with this little case, and I really like it a lot. It's so cute. But there's a new technique that involves these things, so Dave's gonna show us what that is.
Yeah, decide to lightly apply burnish. It did say to try to avoid getting it on the face. And you use the little lid for that, and it said to take this wooden thing on this second area and you kind of rub it in, I guess.
I've seen this done before, and basically you're using friction to create a kind of like a shiny edge. Yeah, see that kind of like tacky sound? It's getting like smooth from doing that motion. So he's gonna do that. And I am going to work on this and show you how the sewing is done. So I'm gonna make my thread like 4 times as long as this. Wait, first I have to put the button through here, and I just have to do a sturdy knot on the other end as well. So that's like that, and then once it closes, then you wrap this around the button like that. What you have to do when you're sewing a leather piece is you have to thread it from both ends. So you use 2 needles, thread it through, and then you put your needle through the thread like so, and then it stays on there permanently. So I'm going to do the other side as well. And putting it through the first one like that. And then the other side, I'll put through the next one. And they get the same even length. Pull the second thread away, and then you feed through the other needle. You can use these little clips to keep it together while you sew. Put it through the bottom, through the next hole, and then you move that thread out of the way and sew through the bottom. So we have 2 stitches on the back and 2 stitches on the front. And then I just keep going with this. So I'm at the end, and once you get to the end, you have to back stitch. So you do like a couple stitches back, and then You pull it through the back, cut it really close, and glue it. So I'm gonna do that. They usually say 2 millimeters away. And then you would glue it in place. Okay, guys, I have one side done. And now for the other side. Dave is on to the other piece and he's using the other end instead so that he's able to get into those corners. That's after 2 coats.
That's patiently doing it.
And some friction. And by George, we got it. And this is what it would have looked out without. Like, it's kind of like rough. Beautiful. How fun is that? Wish I was doing that one. And Dave has the instructions here on the video. Super easy, super simple. First one done. This is definitely the easiest one of them all. So, how cute is this? Like, how cute would this be in your purse? With a couple pens, or you could put other stuff in it. Show us your progress, Dave. Dave's working on it. He kind of does a couple stitches on one side and then does the other side. It's different, but it works too. Next, I'm working on the little coin purse. Dave is well on his way. We might be able to finish all these tonight.
Oh no.
You want 3?
Yeah.
He doesn't have my sewing stamina. Got a little video up and I'm gonna show the little coin purse. It's cute. Green thread. So we have been working from around 5 to, what time is it now? Like 7?
20 after 7.
20 after 7. But that's also because we've been like setting up filming and stuff. So I got this done in like 10 minutes. This one's a little more complex. So I think this will take me a bit more time. And then Dave has the bottom section of the AirPod case sewn up, and that's the longer section. So he only has to do the top. He wants to take a short break. We're back, everybody. So Dave is finishing up his red little, what is it called? AirPod case. And I'm gonna work on the green leather case.
Wait a minute. How do they get sewn together if there's already threads through all the holes? If I sew it like that, and then sew this like that,
Oh.
how does this go together?
So you're sewing this together, and then you're doing the same there. Then you sandwich everything together and start from the top and sew all the way around.
Oh! When you're right, you're right.
And I'll be always right. Just kidding. What's the best Christmas album?
Oh.
Oh. Okay. This green color is giving me life. So I have those 2 fronts done. Looks good, baby. Yay! Look at those man hands. Oh dang!
Ooh, baby, baby, you're a wild thing.
You're a wild thing. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Don't know the rest of the words.
Ooh, darling, please don't go. This one, but it's done.
Wow.
2 for Mark.
Why does he always finish before me?
2 for Mark. I think those are cool. They're legit leather. That's what I really love. I wonder if this end has to be...
Oh, hey, you should do that. Dave's gonna use his burnishing technique that he learned with the first project. Does anyone make gifts for people and then just be like, I want to keep this for myself instead?
No. No.
I mean, I never do that because like
Never.
I'm not selfish like that, but
I'm not
like,
thinking
you know,
that.
the thought crossed my mind, you know?
No.
Like
Never.
for a split second. but like it's not like really what I'm thinking. He finished his.
Yeah.
He finished burnishing his. He's a champ. And I am still working away.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, it's done, both sides. So now I'm going to flip it out carefully. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. And then I need to put this through each side. Okay, then these snap together and this little pin goes in it. Little pin goes through that. Put it through these holes and then tie the ends. We're done. More importantly, I'm done because they've already finished a while
Oh,
back.
I didn't even see it. Let me see.
Yeah, isn't it cute? It's
Oh,
so
it's soft. This
yeah.
is rigid.
Yeah, because this is lamb's skin or something like that. So it's like super.
This is
Okay.
cool. This is dope
Yeah, that's really cool.
for your ear pods.
We could have finished in a day if we really wanted to. Like these didn't take that long. But now we have 4 little gifts that are handmade by us.
Yeah.
Thank you Babylon Leather for gifting us these little gifts that we are now gonna pass on. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you wanna see more. See you later, bye.